In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a news article and put it into the slideshow. Remember, we created a news article and that appears down in the news section of your school's homepage. It will not appear in the slideshow unless you put it there. Anytime you publish a new article, you really want to also add it to the slideshow because that draws attention to that new article. It's good to have maybe 3 to 5 articles running in your slideshow at a time. So you need to know how to change those articles out. So in your manual, I'm actually working, it's either on page 27 or page 28, editing the slideshow. These are the steps that I'm going to go through for this particular video. And so we need to go back to the Gears, and here's the article that we did. We've already got it published. In order to put it in this slideshow, we need to navigate back to the news section, and you can access that by clicking on the breadcrumbs here at the top. And when we get back to the news section, we will see all of the articles that we currently have in our on our website. Each article, each new piece of information on our website gets a number associated with it. So we can see this is the article that we just wrote, and this number here in parentheses behind this article, this is the number that we need to pay attention to. So 1679. We need to remember that for when we link it to the slideshow. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the top level of our school. So up here in the breadcrumbs, I can simply select my school's name. And I am going to go to template variables. That's where we find the slideshow. So I'll go ahead and click slideshow. And you'll see the current items that are in your slideshow. If you want to remove one of them, simply right click on it and go to remove. I'm going to go ahead and add a new item. And it's very simple little form that you're going to fill out here. You're going to put a title and some text. The title is this large text right here, and then the text is a summary of what is contained in the article. So the title should be short, and then the text could be something as simple as the first sentence in your article, or it can be just a single statement. So go back here and we'll go ahead and type in the title and the text. After you've gotten the title and the text in, you'll notice that it asks you for a link. And this is where you're going to put the article number that we copied from the article to link to it. And it needs to be enclosed in square brackets. So I'm going to put 2 square brackets, and then I'm going to put a tilde. And the tilde is next to the number 1 key, to the left of the number 1 key on your keyboard. So I'm going to go ahead and put a tilde. Then I need to put the article number, and my article number was 1679. And then I'm going to close that with 2 right brackets. So the brackets and the tilde are very important syntax for you to use when you are putting in the article link. The next thing it wants is an image, and this is the picture that will be associated with the slideshow. So if we go back to the manual, it gives us some limitations for our image size. So it should be 624 wide by 468 high. And you can resize the image before you bring it up into the slideshow. Now, if you resize the image to this width and height when you put it into the article, you may be able to reuse the same image. So I'm going to go back here, and to add the image, I'm going to click here. And remember, we're not going to upload files to this space. We're going to find our appropriate folder and images and news. And here is the image that I actually uploaded, or I can choose to upload a new image. And this image that I uploaded actually is the correct dimensions that I need for this area. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm going to click OK. Once I get the image there, I'm going to click Done. And then we should see that article has been added to our slideshow. If we go ahead and save this, once it has saved, we can go back to the website, refresh the page, and we should see that article has now been added to our slideshow. And we can tell that we have a new little dot here, so we can click on that, and there is the article. Draws attention to it by down here. A lot of people won't scroll very far on a page, so if they see it here, they can click Read More, takes them right to the article, and they can read about the new happenings at your school. So that is how you add an article to the slideshow.